Welcome to today's video, where we will discuss a common problem faced by many developers when working with ThreadLocals and how to solve it effectively. The problem at hand revolves around the heavy use of ThreadLocals in an application, where values from servlet request parameters are read and provided as a global context on a thread level to other services. This can lead to issues, especially when handling I/O exception and servlet exception thrown by the doFilter method of FilterChain. Now, let's dive into the solution that can help us address this problem in a more efficient manner. The provided solution introduces the use of ScopedValue.callWhere, which takes a callable instead of a runnable. This allows for better handling of exceptions within the doFilter method, ensuring a smoother execution flow. In the code snippet shared, the parameter handling filter ScopedValue class is implemented as a filter with a ScopedValue, for example. The doFilter method utilizes ScopedValue.callWhere to set the example value and execute the filter chain, with proper exception handling in place to catch servlet exception and I/O exception. This ensures that any exceptions thrown are appropriately handled and wrapped if needed. To sum up, by implementing ScopedValue.callWhere with a callable in the filter, we can effectively manage the global context on a thread level and handle exceptions thrown by the filter chain in a more structured manner. I hope you found this solution helpful in addressing the challenges faced with ThreadLocals in your applications. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.